omo timi hu ye naked na no e tell say omo ne na aspirations ana aya so si bi enti ba bi e ko ne de ye besle o man mu mpani say yem fie na nti last year teacher for one secondary school Ghana Education Service NTC any teacher a workshop on sexual harassment. It is don't question on sexual harassment. MPA yansuwe. The MPA yansuwe. Mesra say Ghana Education Service Ministry no. Enfant on so. Now we emotional intelligence workshop. Not one day, not 2 days. They bet me are taking the whole term or semester. A teacher for. Because all emotional intelligence programs are a mouse or also a might me pay signal. Then you may be a banner. The bet me the miracle home. I'm moral ethics and count. A teacher for them, they bury any teacher form. Young say, yet that I don't want. The advantage you hey, be a one year or my mean more, or papa or what fasten more. Women in a being power, Nick catching our vision. Women are down. Say, the walk down at you. Or more beyond above all. And my friend, so the shoe to my money for no trading and one so forth.
Okay.
And my friend is making now almost Yankasomi under 8. Sir, I will for any kind of education service. And so, yes, at the mamma farm. Says, what about you? What go on with you? What is it? I didn't go on watching no. What will you have with you? This said you could try, you know. When you're professional journalist, it was when you get a crown in the name. So when I will try, and now bend the try, and will be a medium and the try, it's a bit figure a crown in.
Yeah.
That's what we didn't have until the whole world. Intimacy, and my friends, which I need to say an experience. A man, or an experience. And means what towards the community not radio. I can hide down for people. And Kwana Tatan.
Said Quabenso.
Teacher, you know, answer more catcher anything. I create this new pam was a teacher. And you will say,
hey,
why no girl?
Yay.
But then somewhere across your classroom to this school, if you are not in. Teacher, you know how much I create him for born. Nepro say, what no, I told him no more. Oh, be a pro. I can't is Rodo. Already teaching them. Teaching in the family. Teaching in the community. I got to be
Uncle Anna to teach Nino.
What you know?
Ha!
I said, some I say, you to a teacher for the phone. I will form into a moment. Not an education into Cranofo. The woman say, one of the value something about Crano, teacher to copy and Cran's question. And you get really after one of you. Now, so they begin to papa. Oh, my friend.
Hey, Yamu.
You don't say across the moment of secondary school. But the local body, when you need 3 years old, he be because you far want it.
Onim.
Mesra say, Ghana Education Service, and then the policy say, after 6 p.m., science lab, visual studio, ICT lab, yen to 2. Because I'm near man, course in a 130. Other the can see your science lab.
Annie.
And I don't know. Lab where you be there. And now science lab on four. You mean the nipa baako enye adwuma wɔ lab. Your lab technician ɔno mpo na lab no yɛ ne dia. What teacher there you go there and teach. Enti me prepare. Nyanti ase ye sɛ dia ɔyɛ ade no. Ɔyɛ lab technician na sɛ ɔyɛ teacher ni ankata. Ɛno de obi anka ho asɛm. So lab technician no, we teacher ni o, ɔyɛ Ghana education staff. We teacher ni. Nti yɛ me yɛ ni na hɔ. Na ba bia kwan de anodin.
Yara, but the argument say mission schools, we can say sorry, Brebi. Now you can say then the reverted schools back to the missions. Now here or there, and no never instill discipline in the students near the day. It is
Okay, me ask. Saa any baby as you. I want you to say abiding schools, missions, na missions na afọ mo titafo etri omo ka eno ye one side and another side is say management side no yem fa missions aban be fa titafo obebo am yes school dan obeye bibia na emu make management dia yem fa missions say be ya ombetumi manage ni me obuta ma adwena as ankran we enye me mission na me lead here no as manager na sem e me as consultant.
Okay.
Na adwene na me kire.
Okay.
And say yen some management side no e ma missions. Na ban enter teacher for ontua omuka bitom ye Ghana for nkran so on so ye Ghana for na emum management no why na say for ye dwuma school home aban no any mission in taking that ababoy eno nkyira say mission schools no ta na ema we ntimi na emum ya na efuro eni hu kakra
ewum
me nkyira wa fi the first nation ka say mo mission schools no o mo ye angel no o mo so ye nipa na emum ya na esu eni hu kakra ewum so bi ko be impo na Mami, one example, we call a Median school and Islamic school. You chief imam of.
Yes.
We call Presbyterian school. You chaplain or you Presbyterian school. We call Methodist school. We call Roman Anglican. And she said, "People, ye be here. The dream may be here. The who kakra, it me back." And she know they may support say, "Yema missions, the opportunity to manage their schools." My name is Sam Winchen. The government added new schools. And the Korean minimum said the cancer over kind of history of Ghana education. A buying a children are buying by school in Temu. Emissions in the South. In a drew baby, a buying by now. A buying entirely. A year. Partnership. But our partnership, I can't lose partnership. Until you are buying a baby, I will do it. Sabaya discuss now. Almost a sort of emphasis, a dino. I'm on the front. Almost a St. Louis. I'm on the front. Wesley girls, I'm on the front. Won't you be sure? Tell me what they are not there. And catch me to send you. And it is still a partnership, but a very loose partnership. Charles, headmasters or master situation in Ghana. What is the full name? Was it assisted schools?
Yes.
So the government did there. And they said assisted in Israel. The schools were there, and government came in to assist. It doesn't mean that come and take over.
I see.
So,
Ebi so kyerɛ sɛ punishment a yɛma kwan ma yɛmfa ma nkɔdaa no ɛsɛ sɛ yɛasesa yɛ sɛ wobɛtwa akɔdaa baa koraa wobɛpunish no a kɔhu mpanimfoɔ kyerɛ ne saa ne nneɛma no restrictions ɛda hɔ no ɛka ho bi ɛnokorɛ.
Okay, me that's it. So wobɛka yɛ anaa wokɔ school anaa anam no nyinaa kɔ school. Next school your book bi wɔ hɔ a ne din paa the punishment book. But biribi nti dɔm fɛ no blue book.
Yeah.
Blue book, but at the end of the day, punishment.
That's right.
And it's all quite punish for records purpose. It's all recorded. Am I including our punishment? But I book it. Our horse you need to see. Because schools they require the horse you know to remove. You can't discipline her. It goes beyond caning. Abeka. Ankasa. And said that discipline.
Okay.
Maybe I have been crazy. Subai na so no mda na di. It's discipline no. Any Abekano. And you're just 1 out of 100 of discipline measures. Let me like I said, the last 10 years, now more classroom. We cry about 3 times. But I mean, I said, and so, because school now, I'm here to what for the first 5 discipline teachers are? Maybe I'm doing back home. It's about principles and strategies. Said you would teach any over your home, and the man crown also a boo. You teach any other type of tutor more from home. When I'm got to ask, and I'm would you form more normal your course? Because I can't based on my case, sister citizens, you know. One lower home, and the mark ran. What came, or you be out, you born away. And I am discipline, I call them. And you're quite a fast years of Ghana. But we have a sort of I'm letting more practice. From basic school to secondary school. What's the course with the Koran now? It be any year. It be so dear. Almost your mind can I am scoring for but this is a strong with me. Almost your working. It is a more fun trade. Now, what's your do? No more Gumama. Now, I try. I'm not for any try. The old from you. Okay, I to Uncle Pep for the corner.
When you said, Drew,
everything else on Tradia, and I was Tradia, Obeti. On you don't do from track, mobile one. That is one aspect of, or one cause of discipline in our schools now. And the discipline, we are working discipline. GES has never cancelled discipline measures. But how is it done? The GES are concerned. So you teach any yeah, I agree. The observational study say when you teach a 14, now move a child, a move a or move child, no bossy. It was we are very attached to the band. What a book for you from a planet down one. A rubber baby in the table. A copy. An engine a GS Jansen. Or see a teacher in our California, the port mouth head. Now, I'm from emergency, ain't you? Whenever I saw no, no before you put a coffin. And so could try to bump out before they could chat. But say, no, I am just in cabin, they may be artful. And near my time. Yeah, that's right. Human rights for me. Right need you are right. But your limited or restricted rights. Well, you know what is for human rights.
That's right.
But what you got on no jobs?
My rights in a pin baby.
A pin baby. It is our credible rescue one. As a human right for anything as I say. What right to be one? A super trick. You don't have all right. What do you call raise more? The right and as we are there.
That's it.
And you know, the a better sɛ bɛyɛ bɛboa mmɔfra no ɛda ato.
Rabbi, where the Mensaka with the San Major no near Koso a Chrysler King Senior High School no because we are regional manager of the Catholic schools or half region no. Saying I'm Muslim no more fun is saying
Medase. Maybe what half. We knew a penny in a war Ashanti region. But an answer a national issue. And I'm making yes, I'm coming comment because the new jurisdiction.
Okay.
The attorney said, young support to the end of the other. It went beyond borders. And only the first thing. As I told you, issue by the one I'm facing a pecan on a children won't say, I feel and could be a dead. Now I'm going to say a C was school. I'm going to say a school dormitory. But yes, Anna, next year.
Okay.
Now, come back to self-control and emotional intelligence on the part of the teacher and the learner. Who a teacher near? My young so you teacher. Your near must teacher. Who a school in your near must say, Kuni. Dear, a hammer can say. So we have video now. Me, the reading woman said, me need to take a new just say, or block on a plan. He said, come on, I talk to me. Shannon, son, or let's say, I'm not able to. So you can't or harm on the power and can open weapons. Yes. And someone who interprets said, they are not to control this Akran.
Okay.
But he went beyond the borders. And no man much of she and Crown. I said, now, it would have been one said who they almost yet to prevent the situation. Ghana had you because of what be here? I should be a father. Open come you no be phone, no video. Ain't that even na ya separate wo mo no na sani man akoso arefo tie be stress ni tie ho fo ba de si teacher ni school e hu nya fe teacher ni school bi bako.
Okay.
And me personally I'm not interested in that.
Okay.
Ade anya ni
Great. Era by better CP and pay e won koma woni ya ntwetwe e nshira 104.5 so. Great. Yane Mr. Boachipa Williams, lead consultant for BB Educational Consult and Supplies, or educational consultancy firm, and on was also regional manager, the Catholic School.